The district is planning to turn this building into a student services center, but residents are upset they weren't properly notified. They're concerned about flooding, and quite frankly, they say this site isn't safe for kids who live nearby. This is the site of conflict. It's also the beginning stage of what will soon be the Student Services Center for Oklahoma City Public Schools.
I can't tell you how many of our children have come directly to my house with tears in their eyes. They no longer have their merry-go-round, their jungle gym.
Neighbors also have complaints about the safety of the site.
So neighborhood kids were playing in the construction area because, as you can tell, that this construction site is not fenced off.
On top of that, Councilman Pettis says while the district did turn in an application a few years ago to rezone the property, it was brought to their attention that residents nearby were not made aware of the future changes.
We learned that they had not notified the property owners within 300 feet of this particular site. Matter of fact, they notified the wrong neighborhood.
Because of that, Pettis says they've asked the district to refrain from further construction.
Last Friday, we notified the school district that they had to stop work immediately. As you can tell, today is Wednesday, and the crews were out here early this morning.
Now, OKCPS says they did make an error with the rezoning application and they have submitted a new one. They also tell me they have shut down construction until they can get things worked out, and you can see their full statement on our website.